Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a mint red chili chutney which is served as an accompaniment with biryani, ghee rice, khushka and even with rotis. To begin, here I'm going to turn on the flame and allow the pan to turn hot. This is half coconut which I've grinded in a mixer jar without adding any water. I'm going to transfer it into the heated pan and dry roast it for 2 minutes on medium heat. All I need is the coconut to turn a little dry and change its color to light golden brown. Now you can see the color has changed, the coconut has turned a little dry. Time to add the next ingredients. So I'm going to move this coconut to the side of the pan and add 4 to 5 red chilies, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 green chili, 5 to 8 cloves of garlic and half small sized onion. Now mix well and dry roast it for 2 minutes on medium heat. Once it's done, you will see the ingredients releasing a nice aroma, and then you can turn off the heat and allow the ingredients to cool. Once cooled, transfer all of them into a mixer jar. Next we need mint leaves. Here I have a handful and a little more of fresh mint leaves. All we need is only the leaves and not the stalk or the stem. Since my mixer jar is a little small, I'm going to add the mint leaves in batches. Now grind this to coarse and I'm going to add rest of the mint leaves. Then goes in salt as per taste and 1 to 2 teaspoons of tamarind water. Add it as per your preference. Grind it to coarse without adding any water, and a pudina red chili chutney is ready. Here I haven't added any water. I'm going to serve this as such along with biryani, ghee rice or khushka and even with rotis. But you can add water to dilute the consistency. We serve it along with finely chopped onions. I hope you loved this recipe. Take care.